Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to factory reset a Chromebook from the sign-in screen. This is especially helpful if you've forgotten the password and can't log in. Now, this Chromebook isn't mine. It actually belongs to a customer. I'm just using it as an example to walk you through the reset process. From the sign-in screen, we're going to use a special key combo to begin the reset. Press and hold Alt plus Ctrl-Shift-R all at the same time. You might need to try it a couple of times, but once it works, the Powerwash prompt will pop up. Now we're on the reset screen. It says, "Reset this Chromebook, Powerwash." To reset your Chromebook to be just like new, all user accounts and local data will be removed. This means everything will be deleted. Any user accounts or files stored locally on this Chromebook will be erased. After the reset, the Chromebook will be just like it was when it came out of the box. Click Powerwash, then select Continue. The device will restart, and in just a few seconds, we'll be back at the initial setup screen. Let's walk through the setup. Step 1. Tap on the Wi-Fi icon. You'll see a pop-up about Chromebox, which is a screen reader for people who are visually impaired. If you want it, select Yes, but in this case, I'll tap No and continue without Chromebox. Step 2. Tap the Wi-Fi icon again to connect to a network. My network is hidden, so I'll manually enter the SSID and password. Once connected, click Get Started, then click Next. Step 3. Choose Setup for personal use. Now sign in with any Gmail account you want to use. Enter the email, hit Next. Enter the Gmail password, then tap Next again and wait for it to load. Step 4. Accept the terms and continue. Click Accept and Continue on the terms screen, and again on the next one. Step 5. You'll be asked to set up a PIN. This makes it easier to log in without typing your full Gmail password every time. I'll enter 123456, click Next, then confirm it. Step 6. You can choose to install apps now or skip them. You can always install them later. I'll skip it for now. Step 7. Skip Google Assistant setup and skip Navigate with gestures. These can be set up later if needed. Step 8. Choose your preferred theme, then click Next. And that's it. We're now inside the Chromebook, fully reset and ready to go. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.